How y'all doing? Today I'm out here talking about, as far as I'm concerned, the best rifle on the market. The only problem I have with is it's not on the market no more. This is an old gun. Not that old. There's a few hiccups. People had problems with this firearm. Remington 700. Probably the best designed trigger mechanism in the world. Now, people talk about the Remington moment, about how they take the safety off, the gun goes off, or they mess with it, the gun goes off. Well, one, always point the gun in a safe direction. Two, it's almost proven all those firearms have been tampered with this mechanism in there. The guy that invented this mechanism is a effing genius, and he's not a millionaire, and he should be, as far as I'm concerned. The best trigger pull out there in the market. This one holds 4 in the magazine, internal magazine, 1 in the pipe, 30-06. Let's shoot this thing. When it's on safety, can't operate the bolt, can't do nothing. I think that's where some people say the problem showed up. I don't know. Look, it didn't go off when I took the safety off. Let's see what happens here. We're pretty close. I have no idea where it hits because I had to replace the front sight. I'm going to aim at a few things. Let's see what happens. Well, I tell you what. That's nice right there. I do believe it's right on target too. The trigger on this thing is this is what all triggers are judged by, I think. This thing is it. I'm gonna hit this one steel plate just to knock it over. That was close. I got 2 more. I'm gonna get it though. One more. Beautiful stock, beautiful everything. Now this one's been beat up a little bit, but it ain't too bad. Let's put that one in that speed. Nothing more smooth, nothing. This is it. Now I'm probably gonna put a scope on it. And I'm not a scope guy. But this thing being 30-06, I swear I can stretch the legs out on this thing 300-400 yards. We'll see. God bless. Remington 700. Bye. That's about as pretty as you get, even though this one's ugly, all scratches. That's about as pretty as you can get when it comes to a rifle.